Hey everyone, today I'm going to do some pull string art. This has been all over Instagram for a while now, and today or yesterday I saw Blossom do the same thing, so I'm definitely well behind the trend, but I think it'll be fun anyway. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is where you dip string in ink or acrylic paint, put it between two pages, press down and pull out, and it kind of creates these like abstract floral arrangements. I'm going to be using some ink, but you're also welcome to use like hobby acrylic paint and just whatever string you have. I try it today with hemp cord and kitchen string. We'll see how it works out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.